Aditya, the name that signifies the sun, the deity that is the ultimate source of energy. Living up to its name, Aditya Construction Company is entirely dedicated and focused on turning your dream homes into a reality. Being one of the most trusted real estate developers in Andhra Pradesh, its completed projects stand in a league of its own terms of sheer physical presence and functional capabilities. Aditya Group is a premier construction conglomerate which is built on a solid foundation of innovation, quality, eco-friendliness and value for money. With the achievement of over a million built of commercial and residential projects already developed and another 5 million built in the making. Hyderabad, the city of pearls, lakes and the city of Nawabs. Hyderabad is a historical cosmopolitan city, rich in culture, and it has also emerged as one of the major high-tech cities of India. Not only because of its progress, Hyderabad is considered to be phenomenal in terms of livability and is a preferred destination for multinational companies worldwide. With a legacy of excellence spanning more than 10 years, Aditya is pooling its expertise to raise illustrious landmarks across Hyderabad and Vizag. Adding another feather in its cap, Aditya proudly presents to you one of its most luxurious and coveted gated communities, Imperial Heights. Strategically located abutting 200 feet express corridor and in close proximity to Hafizpet MMTS, the high-tech city, financial district and IT hub, Imperial Heights has an excellent connectivity to all parts of the city. The vicinity to city dwelling and combination of modern living in regal style makes Imperial Heights an ideal place for families to reside in. The Imperial Heights gated community consists of 9 well-spaced residential towers that ensure ample privacy, with buildings soaring to 14 stories into the sky. With the offering of a total of 998 flats as options, Imperial Heights is one of the biggest residential projects in the vicinity. Magnificent Indian architectural style invokes the royalist feel and features world-class facilities. Residents of Imperial Heights have the unrivaled view of the blossoming floral wonders. These picturesque homes offer refined and harmonious surroundings with lush green plantations, the omnipresence of the chirping of birds, and the fragrance of the flowers will rejuvenate the residents of Imperial Heights throughout the day. Beautiful on the outside and spellbinding on the inside. The sheer grace and liveliness of the living area, coupled with a dining room and the large kitchen, redefines luxury. The ergonomic design of these splendid apartments strikes the right balance between space and comfort. Every bathroom is designed to perfection with top quality fittings to suit every resident's lifestyle. A cozy but spacious room for the little ones in the house to unwind their dreams and imagination. Interspersed within the cluster of towers of Imperial Heights is a clubhouse with a swimming pool, a gymnasium, a health and fitness center, and the convenience of a shopping complex. The presence of the cafe and the club creates a cosmopolitan ambience. A feeling of living a life of contentment for all the residents will come from all the essential provisions being taken care of, like power backup generator, fully automatic lifts, marble flooring in the common areas, intercom facility, 2-level parking system, and round-the-clock security. A vast radiant garden lined with neatly manicured hedges and carpeted soft grass creates an astonishing landscape. The lush green surrounding pulsates with the spirit of recreation, relaxation and leisure. Ample space has been provided and proper arrangements have been done for the children's play area. Royalist, supreme and profoundly beautiful, Imperial Heights is a place like no other. Discover the feeling of being home. Discover Imperial life at Imperial Heights.